This BILITOOLS shock absorber socket set brings together a very complete selection of strut and counterhold bits, so you rarely find yourself missing a specialty profile on modern suspension jobs. The pass-through ratchet design lets you hold the shock piston rod steady while turning the top nut, which makes strut replacement noticeably smoother and safer. Its reversible ratcheting mechanism with fine teeth engages quickly in tight spaces, so you can work around wheel wells and towers without constant repositioning. Forged chrome vanadium steel construction gives the sockets and bits impressive strength and resistance to wear, making the kit suitable for frequent professional use. The layout covers a wide range of European and Asian vehicles, so one kit can handle many different brands without hunting for separate tools. Everything arrives organized in a dedicated case, which keeps the many small pieces sorted and easy to grab during suspension and strut service.